Good morning and welcome to Raymondo Lee Travel. So if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed it today. So we're in a place called Moreton. So Moreton is the final resting place of T E Laurence, who was known as Lawrence of Arabia. So we're going to show you his final resting place shortly. But first, I just want to quickly show you the church here called St. Nicholas. So St. Nicholas Church is quite unique for its engraved glass windows. It's the only example of entirely engraved glass that is known of in England. We didn't get a chance to go into the church, unfortunately, it was all locked up, which was quite sad, really. I really wanted to get inside it. The windows are all by Sir Lawrence Whistler, who revived the art of glass engraving in the 20th century. As you can see, they're quite fascinating. This church was actually bombed in 1940 and extensively damaged as during the Second World War. And obviously this is the churchyard of Lawrence Arabia. Well, he's actually buried in the new churchyard, and this is actually the old churchyard. But yeah, check out the engraving here, guys. It's absolutely fascinating. Okay, we're going to move on now, guys. I'm just showing you the river. It was quite high at this point. So yeah, who was Lawrence of Arabia? Well, Lawrence of Arabia was the name given to British intelligence officer Thomas Edward Lawrence, who fought alongside Arab guerrilla forces in the Middle East during the First World War. So Thomas Lawrence dressed in traditional Arab costume on the balcony of the Victoria Hotel in Damascus on the 3rd of October 1918, half an hour after he resigned his position in the Arab army. Lawrence adopted Arab dress partly for practical reasons, but also because of a dislike of formal uniform and a strong identification with the Arab people. So if you've not seen the movie Lawrence of Arabia, and I'm sure most people have, I would highly recommend you give it a watch. So yeah, just wanted to quickly show you the resting place of Lawrence and this beautiful little village called Moreton. So now we're just finishing off by walking through the walled garden here. The walled garden has a lovely little cafe. You can park in the walled garden car park, and you can actually get parked outside the St. Nicholas's Church graveyard. There's usually a few spaces there. And definitely recommend that you go and check out St. Nicholas's Church. And I'm just disappointed it wasn't open for me to actually show you inside. So anyway, yeah, just a short one today. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate you taking the time out to watch this today. Please remember to check out our playlist of the area. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. That would be fantastic. And hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest uploads. So thank you very much and goodbye.